What's up mga man? Welcome back dito sa ating channel. At kung bago ka dito, I'm Joms, Project Pogi, in which sa channel na to, ang number one goal natin is to achieve our best masculine version. So kung ikaw gusto mo ma-achieve yung best masculine version mo, like the video and subscribe sa channel ko para updated ka sa mga future releases ko. Now, punta tayo doon sa topic natin today. So ang topic natin today is never settle with a woman na hindi aligned sa'yo. Halos lahat ng mga lalaki, okay? Halos lahat ng mga lalaki, hindi nila alam exactly kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nila sa isang babae. So, ang ginagawa nila, tumitingin lang sila sa looks. Tumitingin lang sila kung sino yung may interest sa kanila. And sapat na yun para i-lockdown nila yung babae. Pero man, if yun lang yung criteria mo, looks lang, porket maganda, sexy, kaputi, malaki ang balakang, malaki ang boobs, nagpakita sa'yo ng mixed signals, nagpakita sa'yo ng interest, and yun lang yung criteria mo if you are looking for a lifetime partner, huwag kang magugulat if that kind of relationship na mabuild mo sa kanya will drain your energy and will distract you sa mission mo o sa mga goals mo sa buhay. So dito nagkakamali halos lahat ng mga lalaki. Nagsisettle sila because of looks alone or nagpakita lang sa kanila ng interest kasi feel nila wala nang ibang babae na magpapakita ng interest sa kanila. So, meron silang scarcity mindset when it comes to women. Kumbaga, kung sino yung nagparamdam ng interest or nagbigay ng signal na interesado, they are trying to lock it down as soon as possible. Kasi feeling nila, baka wala ng ibang babaeng magkagusto sa akin. So, what's really happening is you are operating on a scarcity mindset. O kumbaga feel mo kulang yung resources mo or wala ka sa abundance. So, you are trying to lock down as soon as possible kasi feeling mo wala nang ibang magkakagusto sa'yo o magpapakita ng interest sa'yo. So, if ganun yung naging mindset mo, most probably, you will settle for less. And that's the number one huge mistake na pwede mo gawin when you are trying to settle down with someone o yung pang long-time partner na. Okay lang siguro kung pang short-term fun lang, okay? Kung nasa short-term fun ka lang, gusto mo lang enjoy yung pagkabinata mo, okay lang siguro yung ganon. Okay lang yung ganong approach. However, if you're planning to look for your life partner talaga, the woman that will sit beside you as your queen, that will support your mission, that will inspire you to do more, and help you build your empire, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, business man yan sa career mo, then looks alone or yung interest alone should not be your number one basis when you're looking for a partner. It's because kapag nandito ka na sa situation mo ngayon where you're looking for your life partner, iba na yung magiging laro o iba na yung magiging sitwasyon ngayon. It's all about alignment, compatibility, and shared direction. Kung hindi kayo aligned sa values, sa principle, sa beliefs, kung hindi niya naiintindihan yung mission or yung goals mo sa buhay, or hindi aligned yung nakikita nyong future together, then you are building a future with someone na hindi compatible sa'yo. So, kasalanan ba ng mga babae kung bakit hindi sila compatible sa'yo? Hindi. Again, dito sa channel na to, we practice extreme accountability. So, what you can do instead, ito palagi ko tong sinasabi o lagi ko tong ina-advise. Be clear on what you want in a woman. So, magkaroon kayo ng standards, okay? Okay lang magkaroon ng standard. Number 2, ask yourself, what kind of relationship do you actually want? Gusto mo ba yung role mo, ikaw yung provider, and then yung magiging partner mo will be the nurturer? Kumbaga, paano yung magiging dynamics na maging relationship nyo? Kailangan, before ka pala makipag-date, alam mo na kung ano yung magiging standard mo at yung magiging dynamic ng gusto mong relationship. And lastly, anong klaseng values, principles, beliefs ang bagay sa current lifestyle mo at sa mga current goals mo. Kasi if hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo, you don't know what you want, you will settle for less. You will settle for anyone who gives you attention. And man, most likely, that's the most dangerous thing that you can do because you will waste your valuable resources such as your time, energy, and money. Okay, nagsayang ka ng pera, ng oras, at ng energy mo sa maling partner. And that's why, kung nasa phase ka ngayon that you are looking for a partner, for a lifetime partner that will support you, that will be sitting beside you as your queen, you need to do intentional dating. Intentional dating meaning you are dating with clarity, with purpose, while exercising your self-leadership, self-respect, and self-confidence. Yun ang intentional dating na tinuturo ko sa mga members ng community ko at sa mga clients ko. In order for you to find the woman that is right to sit beside you, is syempre, you qualify her, you ask these questions na, does she support your growth or distract you from it? Is she emotionally mature or full of drama? And lastly, will she multiply your life or drain your focus? And this is how a modern masculine man should date. Intentional dating. So, if nakarelate ka dito sa video ko na to and you are tired of settling for less, for settling for women na hindi naman talaga compatible sa'yo, and in the end, nagkakahiwalay lang kayo, nagsayang lang kayo ng oras, ng pera, at ng energy. Hit a like dito sa video ko na to. It surely helps the channel a lot para makapag-release pa ako ng maraming video katulad nito. And if you're a guy who needs help pagdating sa kanyang dating, marami akong programs dyan sa caption ko. Check nyo na lang. You can also follow me sa IG to receive from updates personally from me. And if you're a career-driven man na gusto mo ng personalized coaching and willing ka to invest, and you are tired attracting women na hindi compatible or ideal sa'yo, then meron akong link dyan sa caption ko. Check mo na lang. You will book a call sa team ko or sa akin. Then gagawa tayo ng personalized game plan mo kung paano natin na-attrahin yung dating life mo. So yun lang. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below on what you think. Lahat yan binabasa ko. Thank you so much sa support sa channel ko. And see you the next time. Let's go!